War Games will get you ready for your next sales opportunity. Hosted and created by Joe Ingram. Every Wednesday, 2 p.m. Pacific. Improve your battle plan for better lead conversion. Take a proactive approach to closing the deals you already have. This is for salespeople that want to increase lead conversion. Sales is only a numbers game until you become educated. Learn techniques and get real-world advice to improve your mindset and results. You owe it to yourself to become better. You want to be a part of it. Join the private group at joinwargamesgroup.com. Special guest trainer, David Meltzer. We expect to see you Wednesdays at 2 p.m. joinwargamesgroup.com.